Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia, and today we're going to check out the all-new 2027 Kia EV5. I have in front of me here a GT-Line Limited front-wheel drive in frost blue. Let's check it out. Okay guys, so this is the 2027 Kia EV5 GT-Line Limited in front-wheel drive. This exterior is in frost blue. So right at the front here, we've got these beautiful white daytime running lights. This is the GT-Line, so it's got the projection headlights down there. You do have a light bar that goes across the middle when the full lights are on. This one has a different front bumper for being the GT-Line. Front parking sensors are there, and the radar sensor right under the license plate. We have a 19-inch black rim with some machine finished in there. Man, I love these wheel arches. We do have power folding side mirrors. This one does have the automatic door handles that pop out. We do have a beautiful panoramic sunroof. We got low profile roof rails along with some black trim around the window. From the back, we've got full LED taillights that almost go the whole width of the back. And again, the rear bumper being different with the GT line. Got some sensors built in there. And on this one, your rear wiper is hidden up underneath the rear spoiler. GT line badge, and this one does have a smart power lift gate. Check out this fun charging port. We've got the NACS port there. 360 camera integrated into the mirrors, the back and the front. Check out this ambient lighting that goes all the way across the front and continuing into the back and down at the bottom for the front and rear doors. And on the door here, we have our window lock and child safety lock on and off. That's it. Power folding side mirror button. Controls for your 2-stage heated steering wheel and 3-stage heated seat and air-cooled front seats. Buttons for the electronic parking brake, our rear power lift gate, and the charging port door. Telescopic adjustable steering wheel. Head-up display going through the windshield. Typical steering wheel controls. Paddle shifters to adjust our regen braking. Auto headlights with auto high beam assist. Automatic wipers. Here's our new style shifter. It's quite easy to use, don't be scared. And our dual panoramic displays with our center screen here for climate. Different drive modes. The CCNC with our onboard navigation, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, wireless Android Auto, and wireless Apple CarPlay. Lots of options in here. We'll dive in at some point. I just noticed that when you change your drive mode, it changes the colors of the icons. Cool. Here's that 360 camera. Actual physical buttons for our climate, and whenever you make an adjustment in here, it is going to show you over in our climate screen and at the bottom of the infotainment screen. Tons of room down here for a bag or a purse. We've got USB charging ports down here. We have a traditional 12-volt charging port. And check this out. There's a little hook. Yeah. And in our center console here, we have our wireless phone charger along with some buttons and the fingerprint scanner. And then we've got our dual functioning cup holders. So you need more room in here for something big, a lot of things. You go ahead and make sure those are away. When you need them, hit the buttons, they fling out. Handy. Some storage in here. We've got our roadside assistance buttons and our SOS button at the top, along with the sunroof controls. We've got the two-tone leather seats with GT line in there. And this is power with the memory. And in the back, we do have our heated rear seats. We've got some climate controls, our vents, our rear seat USB ports. And check this out. We've got some little storage right here, but this is also a handle to bring a little drawer out. And we have some hidden storage in here. Yeah. Some space behind each of the seats. Our center armrest comes down with some cup holders. The back of the headrest can be used to hang a sweater on the back, a coat, or even a purse. Oh, I locked myself in. It's better. Again, we have that rear power lift gate and then tons of room in the back here. Check out these little utility guys. So you can use it as like a hook if you need to, I guess, to wrap things around. And then you just give that a little twist and take it out and customize where you want to keep it. And there's 4 spots. And then we have that rear 3-prong outlet, super handy. We We have tons of space underneath here. We've got our V2L adapter and our tire mobility kit and our level 1 home charger. The floor can drop down, give you some extra height in the back here. And when those rear seats are down, tons of space back here. And our button to close the lift gate. And this is the key fob with the extra physical key. On the one side, we've got our remote starter and we have our buttons for our front and reverse parking assist. On the other side, just our traditional lock unlock. We've got our power lift gate and the panic button. And that's the 2027 Kia EV5 GT-Line Limited quick walkthrough. We're going to go into more depth and get into some specs and driving range and all that fun stuff. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys.